Profile optimization is the third chapter in Social Media for Business. Nathanial, why is it so important to optimize your profile, and how involved is it?
Sure. Well, there's a couple of benefits from optimizing your profile. One is you get more visibility on LinkedIn, but you also get a lot more visibility on Google. So we look at the way Google works as a search engine. It's traditionally used to get lots of other websites to link back to your website, and in the eyes of Google, you'd rank really well because you're a popular business in the eyes of Google. And Google's become more and more intelligent, so to speak, and it's identifying the websites which have got more activity on them, which are more socially involved, where people are engaging with the content. So naturally, the best websites to rank on Google are the social media websites themselves, which means that when somebody's searching for your name, if they're looking at doing business with you or maybe have a meeting with you, it's likely that your LinkedIn profile will generally come up towards the top if it's filled out completely. So you can actually rank on Google very easily through LinkedIn, and people are now using social media websites more and more for search engines as well. So if I was looking for a financial advisor, for example, instead of hopping onto Google, I would actually hop onto LinkedIn and see who I already knew in my network that did that. So it's important that you have those keywords showing up in the right place so that your profile's at the top, otherwise it could be costing you clients.
Fantastic. Well, look, it's obviously really important to know how people are actually going about searching and the process they go through. Okay, so it's really important in terms of ranking and being found and website traffic. What's involved?
Well, first and foremost, it's a bit like a search engine optimization. You start with your keyword research. And so what is it that people are searching for to find out what you do, and identify, if there's 3 or 4 areas, and it might be, wealth management, financial advice, mortgage planning, whatever it is you specialize, and then have those keywords mentioned throughout the key areas in your profile. And that raises the question, I suppose, what are the key areas? And the headline is the most important. So where most people will put in, managing director or business development manager or account manager, those are not keywords that anyone is going to search for that wants to do business with you. The only people that will search for those terms are either in recruitment or they're looking to sell you something. So it's counterintuitive, and you can actually have 3 or 4 different keywords mentioned throughout your profile, which also serves the purpose of standing out from the crowd. And then if you mention those keywords again and again through your experience and different sections, even your interests, it's a lot more of a straightforward search engine to manipulate than Google, because the more you mention keywords, the higher up you'll rank. And it's pretty much as simple as that within your network. So if you're doing all of these things and you've only got 50 connections, you're only going to get so much visibility.
Oh, well. So how many steps do you go through to actually do this optimization process?
Well, we've narrowed it down to 22 steps. So if you do these 22 steps, I'm pretty confident that within your immediate network, you'll be ranking, at the top of the LinkedIn search results, and hopefully some visibility on Google as well.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you, Nathanial. That's a good way to actually stand out from the crowd.
Yep.